this is Marcus Brown bringing you today's market update. We start with the news that Marks&Spencer saw its profits plummet yesterday as the cost of restructuring the firm took its toll. Pre-tax profit was down by around 63.5%, falling from 488.8 million to 174.4 million, with the company highlighting a drop in home and clothing sales as well as the cost of new space for the decline in figures. Underlying earnings were also down by around 10%, while sales remained flat at £10.6 billion. Shares saw an initial decline of 1.47% in early trading, but would go on to recover to the same extent, closing up 1.47% last night. In other news, the US Federal Reserve has hinted that it will look to increase interest rates once again as it looks to pare back its balance sheet. The bank will bide its time to see if recent slowdown of the US economy was temporary before making a decision. Expectations are for the US economy to recover to growth once again after a slowdown in the first quarter, and the Federal Reserve has also highlighted its intention to release holdings of Treasury debt and mortgage-backed securities in order to further cut its balance sheet. In oil news, OPEC and other non-member oil producers are expected to announce further cuts to production today, as it is believed that pullbacks in production could last as long as 12 months. An agreement for supply cuts was reached in December last year, and the group, along with a number of non-member producers, will meet today to ponder whether to prolong the cuts. De facto leader of OPEC, Saudi Arabia, has stated that it would be in favour of deepening oil reductions, an opinion echoed by ally Kuwait, yet recommendations by a joint oil committee have recommended that cuts remain unchanged. In upcoming data, 12:30 will see US initial jobless claims released. Thank you for listening.